What is inheritance in Java? So inheritance means what here? JavaScript inheritance is a mechanism that allows us to create new class on the basis of already existing classes. And it provides flexibility to the child class to reuse the methods and variables of parent class. By using what keyword we can achieve? Extends keyword, we can create child class on the basis of parent class. So inheritance says that only, na, creating a new class in the presence of existing class. That concept is known as, that mechanism is known as inheritance. And what is the main purpose? Flexibility. Child flexibility, not parent flexibility. Parent will not take from you, remember. Parents will not take anything from you in your real life also. Always you only taking from the parent. So by seeing the real-time scenario only, they have created inheritance. Tell me what you gave to your father. Show me anybody. Can you show me that, sir, I gave this thing to my father? Anything you gave? But how much things you took, I will count. I will count. I was not with your father, but I will count you. Understood my point here, no? By seeing the real-time scenarios only, they have created these concepts. How this class came into the picture? By seeing the templates, by seeing the designs, they created class. So what do we do? I want to write the Java code. So there should be a design. It should be some place where we can do it. So they have designed what your class. So they said, if you want to write anything, write inside the what? Class. Then after that, we have declared the data. But if you declare one variable, two variable, three variable, variables will store in different place. So they design object. So whatever the data you will create, it will store in the what? Object. You can access the data through object. Understood my point here? No? Do you know what's the problem with pointers? Pointers will hold the what? Address. Pointer always holds address. So tell me, one pointer will hold one address. So every time it will go to that address. So what happened? Performance will reduce here. Assume that I will give you best example of array. Array performance is high. Why array performance is high? Because address is always sequence. Assume that I am a postman. So otherwise I am working for Blue Dart, courier service. So now tell me, in courier service, what happened? I got one courier for Begumpet. One courier is for Amirpet. One courier is for what here? Sikandrabad. So what I can do? First I will go to what? SR Nagar, sorry, Amirpet, then Begumpet, then Sikandrabad. It's in a sequence. And I will come fast. Now tell me, I got three more couriers. One is in Sikandrabad, one is in High-Tech City, one is in KPHP. Now what happens? Why? Addresses are what? Different. So when addresses are different, so it takes time for execution, sir. First I need to go to Sikandrabad. It will take 1 hour. High-Tech City, 2 hours. Otherwise, we need to go from KPHP left side. Again, it will take a lot of time. Understood my point here, no? So it consumes a lot of time. So addresses matters, flexibility matters. By seeing the real-time scenarios only, they have added few features in Java, in JavaScript, in technologies, and they have removed few features also. So remember, inheritance is same like what here? Java inheritance only. Flexibility only for what? Child. Not for parents. They are hard working for you. You are living flexible life. Okay, sir, we got an idea. We understood this one. So let me create the what here class here. I want to create a class. So I will show you a simple example to you. How to work with class. Same like Java only, sir. Class A. And this class having only one function. So how to write here? I'm using function keyword. F1. And here I'm telling document dot Right, Ellen? I am telling a F1 function. Then I am taking BR, break line. Then I will go for one more class. Class B extends what? A. And this is F2. And here I can say B, which method? F2 function. So tell me object we need to create. I'm creating outside. I'm creating object for A, sir. Sorry. Variable. So tell me I create an object for what? Where A. So A dot, which function I can call? F1. Similarly, I can go for which variable? Variable B is equal to new B. B dot F1 I can call. F2 also I can call. So see this, that is correct or not? Refresh. What's the output is coming? Unexpected token identifier. Are we doing any mistakes? Yes. So now tell me what mistake I will show you, because deliberately I want to do this mistake. So we declare a class. What keyword we have taken, sir? Remove. Remove. And now see the magic. Refresh. So what we notice here? We notice that array, if you are declaring a class, don't use function keyword. If you are not using class, then we need to declare our function with function name, function keyword. Understood my point here now? Normally, how to declare function? How many types of functions are there? 3 types of functions now. What are those? Named function, anonymous function, arrow function. Today I will send the JavaScript interview questions. If you feel that I am not good in Java, don't worry. You start doing preparation on JavaScript. Second priority you give to HTML. Third priority we will give to React. Finish. We will learn database. 4 technologies enough to get a front-end developer position. HTML, JavaScript, React, Oracle. Database is compulsory for everybody. So understood my point here now? You learn these 4 things. You don't learn core Java, advanced Java, Spring Boot, microservices, Oracle. There we need to learn 5, 6 things. That is very big. Core Java is very big. Advanced Java big. But here you need to learn what? HTML, JavaScript. Only few days we can finish it. So tell me, everybody understood? So inheritance is a mechanism where we are creating a new class on the basis of existing classes. Okay. And it provides flexibility for the child class, because child class can reuse the variables, or you can say functions from the parent class. By using extends keyword, we can implement inheritance. Same like Java definitions. Only the way of writing the question is different. Understood my point here now, sir? In Java, we will create test T new test. But here we should write var T is equal to new test. Understood my point here now? That is only the difference. So learn the difference. Some people were asking to me, sir, how do you remember this many things? Because I practice more. I work hard more. You know, when I started my career, I was not able to write properly one example also. If I want to write one example, I need to see 3 times to 4 times that program. But today, you won't believe me. I'm working on AWS also. Soon, this Java with AWS I will launch. And my student should have AWS account, and we are communicating with AWS directly. Suppose to learn AWS, anything cloud computing, you need to learn first Linux. I will give you one example to you. Assume that tomorrow you want to learn React.js. Definitely we are going to learn React.js, guys, no doubt. So when we are going to learn React.js, and remember, React and React Native both are different. Some people are getting confused, sir, what is React and what is React Native? React, or you can say React JS, this is for web development. What development? Web development. And React Native is for what here? Mobile development. That is the difference is there, sir. So you decide you want to do web development or mobile development. And Java is famous for web development. Python is famous for web development. .NET is famous for web development. React is also famous for web development. Mobile development means you need to learn Android. Otherwise, you need to learn React Native. Otherwise, you need to learn Flutter. These are the technologies we need to learn. Then you can develop mobile applications. But we are working on what? Web applications. Web applications means everything will come. Facebook will come. Your e-commerce websites will come. E-commerce website means online shopping websites. Online shopping websites are known as what? E-commerce websites. From website where we are buying and selling the things. That website is known as what here? E-commerce. With the help of payment also. So that is what here e-commerce. So I was telling, like, when you want to learn React, you cannot learn directly. So we need to learn JSX. JSX means JavaScript extension, or you can say JavaScript XML. So without JSX, you cannot learn React. So first, I will teach you JSX only. Similarly, tomorrow, if you want to learn Angular, so you cannot learn directly. We need to learn TypeScript. If you have knowledge in TypeScript, then only you can learn what? Angular. Similarly, if you want to learn cloud today, if you want to learn cloud, cloud means it can be AWS, GCP, it can be what? Azure, IBM cloud. This is my favorite, IBM. So IBM cloud means what we need to do? Compulsory, we need to learn what? Linux. Without Linux, you cannot do. If you have Linux knowledge, then go for cloud teaching, learning. Otherwise, don't learn also. You can't understand. Course will finish. Understood my point here now? So this is, we will wind up here only. So this is the end of our JavaScript. I hope you people understood what is JavaScript now. So we'll meet in the next session.